Disliked action, meaning you beautified your cake, and then something happens, and then, oops, the pink rose is out, or the piece of chocolate is out. So these, excessive gargling, as we said. طيب? Tasting the food for no need. Let me just check. No need to check, but let me check. طيب? And again, kissing when there is, you cannot control yourself. What negates your fasting? What absolutely abolished the fasting? Huh? Don't look at me. Eating and drinking intentionally. That's the word. Eating and drinking intentionally. Because if you eat and drink and mistate and you forgot, Allah forgive you. Your fasting is valid. So number one, sexual intercourse, vomiting intentionally. Pay attention to intentionally, right? As we said, menstruation. If you made the intention to break the fast, your fast is invalid. So if at 10 or 12 you said, you know what, I have a huge class and I have an exam and I don't think I'm going to do it, I probably will, I'm going to go and break my fast. And then you said, no, I'm going to go and do it. Your fasting is invalid. Because niyyah, remember what we said about it, intention. So be really careful about that, right? It's going to come, but you're going to push it right away. No. Allah will make it easy. And if somebody rejects Islam, subhanAllah, then the fasting is unacceptable. Right, so we talked about eating and drinking deliberately, absolutely. The fasting is gone. Forgetfully, or if you forget about that, or mistakenly you took it, then your fasting is absolutely right, and that's